this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Photopea. Now, the first thing you want to do is select the layer where you want to cut out an image, and then there's multiple ways you can go about this. Now, the most precise way is to use this lasso tool over here, okay? As you can see, it's the plain lasso tool or the polygonal or magnetic lasso tool. And in this case, since I've got a white background that you can distinguish from the image, we're going to use the magnetic lasso tool. And what you then want to do is simply start somewhere and just drag your mouse around this object very slowly, okay? And as you can see, the image is getting selected. This teddy bear is getting selected. And you have to do this for the entirety of the image, so you have to go all around the image. And then once you're done, you're gonna be able to cut out the image. Now I'm gonna speed this process up and gonna go a bit faster, which may play with the quality of my cutout, but in case it doesn't, that's even better, okay? So I'm doing it quickly, as you can see, and there we go, okay? And once you're done, you press enter on your keyboard, and this has been selected. What you then do is simply press Ctrl and C, okay? I press Ctrl and C, and then Ctrl and V, so the new image gets pasted. And excuse me, now you can move this image around, as you can see, and the background, if I hide the background layer, has been completely erased, and it's now a PNG image with a transparent background. Now let's say we want to try the other way, okay? So the other way of doing this is by using this magic wand over here. If the background is one color, this can work very well. So you just click on the background, click on delete, and as you can see, the background has been deleted. Now this was quite a bit faster than the previous method, but the problem is you cannot do it if background is multicolor, or if there's like an object that isn't so distinguishable from the background as this little drawing of this teddy bear over here. Now let's try the last option that we've got, and it's the object selection. Now this can also be done if the background is very different from the actual image. You just simply select the entire image, wait for a second, and as you can see, it got selected. And now again, if I press delete, if I press Ctrl C, and then again Ctrl V, it's going to paste in the cutout image, and then you just delete the background image or hide it, and as you can see, I've got a PNG on a transparent background.